guys, welcome to another exciting vlog where I'm going to show you my night skincare routine using only affordable products. So let's start it. So starting off tying my hair and then removing my makeup. Today I'm using this Miniso wipe and the Mumuso makeup removing water. You can buy it online or from your nearest Mumuso store as well. Taking a small amount of the makeup remover on the wipe and then wiping it all over my face and neck to remove all impurities and dirt of the entire day. I would recommend you for a double cleansing of your face, so go ahead and wash your face with a favorite face wash and then dry it with a towel. Now it's time for a toner. Today I'm using Plum Rose Water Toner, spraying it up to 4 sprays all over my face and neck, then patting it gently with my hands so that it gets absorbed on my skin. Now it's time for an under eye cream which will brighten my under eye area and remove the dark circle. For this I'm using O3 Plus under eye cream, putting a little dot on the tip of my finger and applying in circular motion on entire eye area. First we'll massage clockwise and then we'll massage anti-clockwise for at least 30 seconds each. Moisturizing my skin, I'm applying Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Booster. It removes dark spots and helps getting a glowing skin. You would need 2 to 3 drops and massaging it in upward direction to your face and neck. Applying skincare items to your neck is very important, as otherwise you can get a darker neck and uneven skin tone. Time for applying the Micro Essence by L'Oreal Paris. I'm using this from last 6 months and it helped me getting a smooth looking skin. You should definitely try it. You need a very small quantity, so applying just 2 drops and putting it on my face with the help of my hand. Now for the night cream, I'm applying Lotus Herbal White Glow Cream. It helps you to brighten the skin, applying it in small quantity and massaging it in upward direction. You cannot use this cream outside in sun as it has skin lightening elements. Don't forget your neck. Massage it on your neck as well. Give this cream a gentle massage all over your face so that it gets absorbed. You can try these strokes. Alright. I'm applying the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is berry flavored and it softens the lips and you do not end up with a cracked lips. Recommended to me by the Nika store, the offline store which is there, and it's definitely very good. You can try it. Now applying hand cream which will soften my hands. For this I'm using Bath & Body Works and it smells amazing too. That's all for today guys. That is how I take care of my skin daily. It does not take more than 5 minutes on a regular basis to do this night care routine. This routine helps you to get smooth and bright skin and an inner glow from within. However, an integral part of your skincare routine is having at least 3 to 4 liters of water and sleeping at least 7 to 8 hours a day. Do like, share and comment on this video and do subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye.